Emotional intelligence is widely recognized as a valuable skill that helps improve communication, management, problem solving, and relationship within the workplace. People with high emotional intelligence are able to better manage themselves, build better relationships with others, and overcome challenges, setbacks, and difficult situations. I would like to share with you some statistics. 90% of top performers are individuals with high IQ. 58% of your performance are down to your emotional intelligence level. And leaders with high emotional intelligence have up to 4 times less turnover in their team. Emotional intelligence does matter in the workplace.